Okay, so we're going to go through the install process for the Pro Black template. We're going to start by installing the template. This is a clean install of Joomla, so there's and I've deleted all the modules before we've started. So we're now got to go to Template Manager and activate the Pro Black template as being the default. Go to the front end now and take a look what that looks like. So as you can see, there's no modules posted, but we've got the template theme installed. So in Module Manager, we'll start with installing the logo. You need custom HTML. We'll call it logo, and we won't show the title because we don't want that showing up on the front end of the website. Put it in logo position. Now we're just going to paste in the HTML that we need in that section there, index.php. You can just change that to a / to point to the root of your website if anyone clicks your logo. Just go to the front end and refresh. You can now see the logo is in position there. I'm also going to upload the PSD Photoshop file so that if you want to edit anything that's on the PSD you can. I'm going to go back and create another custom HTML module. And this one is the footer at the bottom of the page. I'm not going to show the title, we're going to publish it in footer position. And again, I'm just going to paste some HTML into that box. All of the HTML that I'm using on this I'm going to post so you can download and easily copy and paste it into the site. And that just shows you at the very bottom I've used the strong element, and in the element I've used class of green, and that just changes the word that I've chosen, which is company, to be green. You can modify that to suit, or you can remove the class of green if you don't want the bold green on there. We'll put the top menu in place. And again, we're not going to show the title to this, so we're just going to use a descriptive title that we can remember. We'll put it in menu position, main menu. And then we've got, in list position. Choose which menu you've got, but make sure menu style is list. There's nothing else to change on the advanced parameters or the other parameters, and you just click save. And we refresh the front. And that shows the menu on the top right. If you've got Firebug installed and you're using Firefox, just by highlighting over the class main menu you'll see the width of it. Now if you've got more than 4 or 5 items in there, you're going to need to increase the width of the main menu class. So in your template.css file, you can increase that to 65, and then on the div class of logo you can decrease that down about 25 or 30, and that'll give you it a bit wider. When you highlight over, you'll see the shaded area with a logo width of 29%. You can see the area that covers, and then when I go over the main menu you'll see that the main menu class of 65, it just gives you a bit wider if you want to use it to give you more room. That's in template.css. If you need any help with that, by the way, just post on the forum or on the website. So the top showcase area, we're not going to show the title. It's going to go in mid position. We're just going to again paste the HTML. We're only going to show it in the home page, and you can just modify that HTML. Obviously, as you'll see, my editor is not set to TinyMCE editor, it's just no editor, and it's, if you want to use the editor to modify this, you can. We're putting the banner now across the middle, so again it's a new HTML custom module. We call this Big Business middle banner. Hide the title, and then the position for this is mid banner, home page only, but if you want to use it on other pages you can. I'll also make a short video of how to modify each individual area. The little icons on this banner that go across, you can set those to link to wherever you want inside of your site or as external links, and you can also change the images quite easily on them to other images. This is the speech bubble and the customer testimony going on the right hand side, and we're not going to show the title. Just going to go in position right, and then again we're just going to paste the HTML, save that and refresh. There we go. And again, the text in the image can be quite easily changed from just inside your admin panel. I'm going to put the login in position user 1 at the bottom of the home page. We'll show the title on this. So now we're going to set up users positions 2, 3 and 4 along the bottom of the site. Start off with the latest news module. I'm going to show this title, so we're just going to call it blog posts. You can call it whatever suits your site, and it's going to go into user 2, sorry. Nothing else needs changing there, so we can just save that and take a look at the front end. There we go. So now in user 3 position we'll put the Facebook Connect and the Twitter icons, RSS feeds, etc. So we're going to do that again with custom HTML. I'll show the title. Position user 3, we're just going to paste in again that HTML, and you can change this quite easily. So if you want to put in obviously the link to your Facebook page, it will go where the pound sign is. If you wanted to duplicate and put an extra feed into another network, then you can just copy and paste the LI, which is the list item tags, and put your link details in. Click on save. Back to the front end, we'll refresh. Oh, looks like I've double clicked. 1 minute, let's get rid of one of them. Select that one, refresh. That's better. So we've got another space along the bottom. What we can do is use one of your menus, so this could easily be most popular articles or whatever you choose to put in there. Anything can be published to that position. We're going to use a menu. Call it resources. I don't know why my mouse is off on the recording, it might put you off a bit, but the narration of the video was done separately to the video, so it doesn't match up perfectly, but hopefully you'll still get the right idea. So there's the resources menu on the bottom user 4 position, and all we've got to do now is sort out the articles. So we want to get rid of the icons, we don't want 2 columns, and we don't want the welcome to the front page, so we're going to go to menus, main menu, and then we're going to home, which has got the default star which shows that it controls the home page. I'm going to change the columns to 1 from 2, We're going to hide pagination, and we're going to hide pagination results. We're going to change to not show the icons for PDF, etc. And also we're going to hide the author's name if it's already set on yours, and the creator date and time if you don't want those to show. Depends on how you use your site whether or not you want these functions there. If you want the PDFs, etc., then that's fine, you can leave them on. I'm going to change show page title to no. Now your page title for the actual home page is set here, so you would set whatever your SEO friendly page title is for your business, and then that will show at the top of the page and also in the search engines. So save that, refresh on the front, and there we have, when it refreshes, there we go, that's your home page. That's set with 4 leading, 1 main article and 4 leading articles. You can change that to suit.